Welcome to 7460 Lowell Boulevard in Westminster, Colorado. 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, and a garage. A fully updated, low-maintenance townhome with low HOA dues. This clean, move-in ready townhome is located in a quiet, convenient location. Welcome to Harris Park Townhomes, located just a block away from the historic Westminster Town Center. This townhome boasts 9-foot ceilings with a south-facing living room, bringing in all the natural light. Main floor has an open floor plan with new high-end laminate flooring and a built-in entertainment center. The separate dining space, open galley kitchen, and 2 large closets and a powder room complete the main level living. Turn your way upstairs to the upper level on the new carpet throughout the bedrooms and bathrooms, and to a private balcony suite with plenty of closet space and separate from the 2 bedrooms down the hall on the south side. Enjoy low-hassle laundry service on the upper level. Ending your tour on the main level, the attached 1-car garage is spacious, clean, and ready for shelving. A second car is allowed to park in front of that garage. On the south entrance, many homeowners have completed a fence in their deck in the area for sunny, relaxing days. New, and newer. All the appliances, washer and dryer, furnace, water heater, and even the air ducts have been cleaned in the past couple of years. Along with this low maintenance comes with a reasonable, healthy HOA. Dues are only $292 a month and pay for water, sewer, trash, and snow removal. Surrounding this community are numerous amenities. Westminster Swim and Fitness Center, the Tori Square Park are just a few blocks away, and both the light rail and entrances to the US 36 highway taking you to Boulder and Denver just a 25-minute commute away. And the new Westminster Town Center and Costco are only a 9-minute drive away. Contact Chris George at 303-478-5501 for your own private showing.